Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to open a business bank account in Australia. So let's get started. So I will just open to a Google and I will directly search for top bank here in Australia. Okay, business bank. So here I can see. So the first is your ANZ Bank. Then we have our Commonwealth Bank. Then we have National Bank of Australia. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to open a bank account in your ANZ Bank. Okay, so I will just go to their website. So business bank account, so we'll just go to their business. Okay, then they have here option called as your business account, so we'll directly click on here. Okay, so here we can see business account. So if you scroll down, we can see other things also. So to open an account, you have to visit the nearest branch, so they will do your KYC and other things. So we'll directly click on find ANZ. Okay, right click on here. So from here, if they have jumped to the here we can see skip to the trip, way to the bank, then we have message app, then we have other supports. So we will likely search for the way to bank. Okay, so here they have the app also, you can just download also, and here we can see they have the way to bank. Skip a trip to the bank with smarter ways. You can you can use their ANZ app and their contact us button if you don't want to go to the bank. If you want to go, you can just find the nearest branch near you of ANZ and you can do the KYC. So KYC will require a minimum age of 18 years and you should have a established business account and the licenses of the business it will be required. This is how to open a bank account in Australia, business bank account. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.